How can one set of keyboard and mouse control 8 different systems and still run at 4K 60 Hz? This is the SH08 KVM switcher with seams. It can be rack-mounted or placed on your desk. So, how do you switch between 8 computers? You can use this compact desktop controller like this. Or switch with a remote like this. Or simply use the buttons right on the device's front panel. It supports auto detection. Press and hold button 2 for 3 seconds, then release. This toggles auto detection on or off. Press and hold button 1 for 3 seconds, then release, to reset the device. Here's how it works. Scenario 1. When you plug in an HDMI cable with a signal, it'll automatically switch to that computer. Unplug it, and it'll switch to the next active one. Scenario 2. With everything connected, whenever any computer powers on, the display switches to that system. You can access the BIOS, enter the login password, and boot into the system. When you shut it down, it automatically switches to the next one with a signal. Standard accessories: a pair of rack ears, one RS-232 terminal block, one power adapter, one remote control, one desktop controller, one Type-C data cable, 8 HDMI KVM cables, and one main unit.
Keyboard and mouse interface, desktop controller interface, infrared receiver, PC18 switch button, PC18 HDMI and USB input ports, HDMI output port, USB 2.0 input port, RS-232 port, power port, ground port. Mounting bracket mounting area, anti-slip pad, dedicated HDMI KVM cable. Connects to the host's USB and HDMI inputs. Connects to the switch's HDMI inputs.
Connect PC1 to PC8 one by one. Hook up the monitor. Plug in the desktop controller. Connect the keyboard and mouse, and power it up. Now you're ready to go.